In this video, I'm going to show you how to search mail in Google Gmail account. So you want to search any particular email. So firstly, you need to sign in your Gmail account. Then here is the option search a mail. So type related word, your search query like so you will find related information. If you not see, so type any related word. And press enter. So you will see all related email about your query. And another method, you can search email by time range. So select here like older than 1 week, older than 1 month, older than 1 year, and custom range. So start date and end date. Like start date, you want to search mail from 1st November to 28 December. Yeah, 25 December. So click on apply. So you will see this whole email related this date. And another method has attachment or not. So click on yes, exclude social, exclude promotions, and advanced search. So from if you know, and any subject if you know, size you can set here like greater than particular MB, date within like in a 6 month, search inbox started, sent mail, drafts or spams. Select this one has attachment and don't include chats. Then click on search. So like this, you can search any particular email in Gmail. Thanks for watching.